What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Android Ice Cream Sandwich on your Windows PC or Mac or Linux. So Ice Cream Sandwich is the almost latest operating system on the Android platform. The latest is actually Jelly Bean, but that one is only supported on the Nexus 7. So let's get started. To use VirtualBox or to install this, you have to have a CPU that supports virtualization. So if you do, go to VirtualBox and links will be in the description. For Windows users, you want to download this one. For Mac, it's this one, and Linux, you press this one. So once you got that downloaded, install VirtualBox. And then go ahead to this link. Links will be in the description. And download this RAR file. Once you got it downloaded, open it up and extract the ISO to your desktop. And exit out of that. Now open a VirtualBox and click on New, Next, and give it a name. I'll just name it Android 2. For the operating system, change it to Linux. For the version, change it to other Linux. Next. For the memory, you might want to have it more than 512 megabytes. So if you have a huge amount of RAM or you have a huge paging file, then just give it 1 gig or 1024 megabytes. Next, and 8 gig is more than enough for this install. Press next, create, and press create again. Now select Android 2 and press start. And this window will pop up. So press next and press this little folder arrow thing. And navigate to your desktop and find the Ice Cream Sandwich ISO file. Press open, press next, press start. Over here, use your arrow keys and select installation. Press enter. Select create modify partition. Press enter. Go to new, primary, press enter. Go to write. Type in yes, press enter. It will now write to a disk. Okay, so once you're at this, go to print, press table, and press enter. And press enter again. Now go to quit and select SDA1 Linux VBox hard disk. Press OK. Select ext3. Press OK. Select yes. It will now format the partition. Press yes. Press yes. It's now going to install. And then navigate to create a fake SD card. Press OK. This is enough for the SD card. So it's going to create the SD card or the fake SD card. This might take longer if you have a hard disk drive. Well, since I have SSD, this will be really fast. Alright, so once that's created, reboot and press exit. Now once it gets to this window again, go to devices, CD, DVD devices, press your host drive, any host drive. Now go to Machine, press Close, and power off the machine, press OK. Now select your Android 2 again and press Start. And then once they're at this window, select Android times 86. Now you're going to see the Android boot screen. And after a while, you will see the ice cream sandwich. To use the mouse, press Machine, disable mouse integration. Now you can use your mouse to act like a touchscreen. So you can press OK. Now it's a full-fledged ice cream sandwich tablet on your PC. So if you want internet access on this thing, you have to have internet access on the host device or your host laptop. To have it, click on Settings, navigate to Ethernet Configuration, go to Ethernet Configuration again, and under Ethernet Devices, click on ETH0, stand for Ethernet 0. Press Save, and then exit to your main menu. And from here you could explore ice cream sandwich. And let's see, I'll go to the browser. Now, as you can see, the internet works. Go to youtube.com/user/tech-tips central. Oh, whoops, my bad. youtube.com/user/tech-tips central. Alright, so check out my other videos. The surface of surfaces. This is my most popular video, how to change Windows 7 boot animation. Well, that's it. Please subscribe, like, and comment.